Union Bank Account Balance Check. If you are a Union Bank of India customer and you want to check your balance, first you can log into your mobile banking or online banking and check your balance from there. But if you don't use this, you can also check your balance in other ways. Now, if I go to Google and search, you can see it gives me three ways. The mobile banking one we already discussed, so we will simply skip this process. First is by SMS. You can text UBAL. So type in UBAL in your SMS box and send it to 0922300848 from your registered mobile number to check your primary account balance. To check another account balance, text UBAL account number to this particular replacing account number with your actual account number. Now, second is you can actually directly give a missed call by using this particular number and just give a missed call to this number from your registered mobile number which you use for your bank account, and it will give you the balance left inside of your account. And these are simply some of the ways you can actually check your balance for Union Bank. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.